The day has come. The FRS is leaving tomorrow. We're taking it to Louie, the winner of Carmaspeed Giveaway number 2. We got the FRS right here. I want to go ahead and detail it, vacuum it out, make sure it's perfect. I took it on one last drive last night. I'll throw in this little clip from my phone of doing a pull on a bridge in Tempe, Arizona by ASU. I thought I was gonna go drive the car for about 20 minutes. I was gone for an hour and a half. This thing is like one of the funnest cars to drive ever. It's just a blast. Atan, what's poppin'?
Nothing much, man.
Starting the video for tomorrow. Hell yeah. You detailed the inside? Let's go. We had a couple storms, so I want to spray this out. Wings make great tables. It's our last time getting gas together. Really grown to like the sound of this thing. You know, being a die-hard unequal length SUV guy, you can kind of maybe see why maybe that would be hard to wrap your head around, but when it's turboed and equal length, it's kind of a different beast. Looking in the rear view and seeing the wing. Last fill up together. Looks pretty good. Isn't it funny when you drive a car like this, like non-car people look at you like you're freaking nuts, and then you throw in the mix filming everything with a camera, and then they look at you like you're really nuts. Love that. Never ceases to make things a little strange, but what's new? The weather's getting a little bit sketchy, so I'm gonna pull the FRS in here so it doesn't get ruined since we detailed it today. Last night in AZ. 6:42 a.m. Time for some coffee. Shut up. Let's get the day going. Oh, Natan's here first. Number 2 is here.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Yeah, I told you I'm powered up right now.
He's here.
Yo.
Number 3. I didn't know we were going fishing. I haven't even left the house yet and these guys got the hood popped.
Changing a blown out coolant line. She's been like that for about 80,000 miles, but figured I'd change it right now because why not?
Best time's the present. It might be a little warm still.
That hurt.
Natan, did you swallow some?
I think a little bit shot in my mouth.
For every $1 you spend, you get 50 entries. Today is the last day to get that promo right now. We want to offer the opportunity for you to get entered into the Mazda Speed, the Miata, or the 350Z. See you on the website. Thanks for stopping by this video. Appreciate you being here. Happy Sunday. On the road. car intact, Justin intact, boys intact. Randall, how do you feel about that coolant liner? Is that 100% confidence?
100. Oh yeah.
And Todd, does it give you a pass?
100%.
Can't be sleeping on Quick Trip breakfast pizza.
It's road trip essential.
We just got off our freeway exit. We are almost to Louie's house. Randall's got the Metallica on. So you know he's trying to pull through. He's got his glove on.
Steering wheel's deteriorating slowly but surely.
What's the temp out here? Fullerton, what you got for us? Escape room. Welcome to your new home, FRS. It's actually kind of nice out. Little bro runner.
Corner house. Oh, that's sick.
Maybe we should find a parking lot nearby and then drive it here. Louie! So good to meet you. How are you?
Good.
How's your day going?
Good, good. Been excited all day long.
Yeah. Well, this is it. Take a look around.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good.
Congrats, brother.
Thank you.
What's up, Louie?
What's up, dude?
Congrats, my dude. How are you?
Good, good.
It's got quite the personality. I'm excited for you to drive it.
I'm nervous to drive it.
Key. I'll use that in a second, but if you want to hold that. Dude, isn't it weird? It's
Yeah.
like us showing up and like handing you a car.
Yeah.
We were like laughing about the way here. I'm like, dude, imagine if we were Louie, just like a bunch of homies rolling up. Here's a car. It's so strange. But we appreciate your support and everything. It means a lot. Have you grown up here your whole life?
Nah, I actually grew up in Mesa.
Oh, that's right, from Arizona.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah. Then you moved here recently. Very cool. This is a fuel. It's really helpful to the tuner, and so what they can
I don't think I ever been into a car that's this loud and just that loud about right there.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it never gets old.
That turbo.
Yeah. Is it starting to feel real?
Yeah. Sheesh.
Like, it wakes up like 40% on top of this with the 85. I'm just gonna get first through third pull. I want you to feel it. But it's nice because it doesn't slip. It's such a fun car to drive. Like the transmission feels good. Like the shifter is like the most bolt action shifter I've personally ever driven. So it's just so nice. Yep, you got it. There you go. Oh yeah, you got it all day. He's a race car to get you comfortable real quick by force. Lots of stop signs here to break you in. There you go.
There's their E85 fuel.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's the burn rubber juice. You're gonna text me and be like, holy crap.
Feels unreal. This is mine.
There you go. That was really good.
You think you're gonna miss this car?
Yes. I was gonna go drive it one last time for 20 minutes. I took it out for an hour and 20 minutes. We're gonna pull it over to Louie's spot. It is actually like a really perfect spot to get photos and videos. So I'm gonna pull it over there as quietly as possible. His property manager lives in the corner and it's like echoey in there. So I'm gonna back it in there as quiet as I can because this clutch is kind of hard. right, Louie, you are the winner of giveaway car number 2. Tell us, how did you find Carmaspeed or my channel or Carmaspeed's channel? Do you know when that was? What certain video?
Pretty sure it was through TJ. He called you out. I love to support people that are from the home state of Arizona, and it was one of those videos where you were at a car event, we were asking just random questions, bags or coils.
Oh yeah, the interviews.
Yeah, so I clicked on that one and I just kind of decided to subscribe.
Yeah, so that was a while ago, so you've been keeping up here and there for a couple years. I appreciate that, that means so much. Was this the product that you bought that got you into it at first, the giveaway?
It was actually a couple of these shirts because I only had black t-shirts and I wanted to get a variety of colors, so I was like, bought this one, a couple other ones. The 4th of July one, I really liked that one.
Oh
so.
yeah, oh, super cool. How long have you been into cars?
Probably since out of high school, so 2014.
Okay, tell me the story that you told me about. It's funny that you ended up with the FRS.
I really wanted to get another car, but in stick, and I really wanted to get either a BRZ or an 86, and I was really hoping that eventually I would like get one down the line as my next car, and wide body that as my project car, because the Subaru is just a daily car that I take everywhere from work to gym to eating food, so I would love to have an 86, and it's crazy that I got this.
What is your thoughts after driving it versus watching it in videos?
It's very aggressive, so trying to find that sweet spot in that clutch is something that a challenge for me, definitely. But other than that, it's a joy to hear all the things on YouTube videos of just hearing that spool, that blow off valve, and it's crazy that it's gonna be my next car, that I'll be enjoying that
all the time.
Yeah,
every day. Is there something that you had in mind once you knew that you were gonna get the car that you knew you want to do to it right away, that to make it your own, or do you feel like you're gonna like not sure yet and just feel it out as time goes on?
For sure, it was definitely the headlights, the easiest but simple like cosmetic for right now, because it already has a lot of things done to it, but headlights and taillights would be the next.
Yeah,
definitely
get like some cool sequentials or something like that. I dig it. Oh, what do you do for work?
I work for Chick-fil-A. Been working for Chick-fil-A for 8 years.
8 years. What's your position?
Maintenance. So I take care of any equipment or anything that's around the store that makes sure it looks presentable for the store, and then also helping online by serving chicken to guests.
Yeah, you and your wife have like a super nice place. If for anyone watching, like what has life taught you that's led you here and made you work as hard as you do to create the life that you have? Like, do you have any advice?
Definitely continue to pursue anything that you really want to do. I definitely didn't want to stick with Chick-fil-A. Sticking through it definitely helped the place I wanted to be, because I love to work with my hands. With the Subaru, I gotta take it apart and reassemble it myself, so I get to do that for a living, taking apart machines for work and taking care of just anything that
keeping the restaurants going.
Yeah.
So,
okay, same concept with Subaru. It's just like keeping that thing that you love and had a passion for and keeping it alive.
Yeah, absolutely, that's huge. Louie's got a question for you.
Shoot it.
Do you really have a hate for any type of wings on a car?
I mean, it depends. This one I can do with, but it depends on the wing. I don't really like the real rowdy ones.
Yeah.
I like the more subtle look. But
Randall right away brought up doing a ducktail over a wing on his 350 that he's working on. So if that tells you anything.
I like the real simple stuff, the real out of control stuff. It's not for me, but
So an STI wing on an STI?
I mean, that's pretty standard. To
that
be
fits.
honest. Yeah, it's
What if
fitting.
it's on a WX?
I mean, you might as well slap an STI badge on it.
Since 2010, it's not necessarily a WRX. I call it WRX because it's basically the same concept, but it's an automatic. So it's an Impreza 2.5 GT. Everything's the same. The only difference is that from the 2008 to 2010, no wide body. So that's the difference between the 11s and 14.
Hey, you manifested it. You totally manifested this car. What the heck? That's hilarious. I gotta pull up on this. Shout out Tej.
That's the car that I fell in love with. I had this car. I looked up Subarus, and this is the guy that popped up, and he had that car at the time.
If you see a legacy someone's giving away, you need to enter that one too. My old boss Dawson, that's super successful. He's like a diehard, like put the picture on the wall and it will happen. So when I see that and then this, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's hilarious. I love that.
You got a lot of extra Chick-fil-A waffle fries?
I was like, what are you talking about? Moving boxes, that's hilarious. Chick-fil-A employee things right there, we're learning.
Those waffle fries are good.
Yeah, back it in here, let's see if we can fit it. You're clear on both sides now. wood bumper? Hold on, let's take a look at that. Let Randall give us an assessment of this.
There's two sides.
Give us a breakdown. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Dude, it's even stained.
the Home Depot special.
They stained that thing mint.
Yeah, what is this thing?
yeah. This thing's sick.
Nice.
Oh, it's an old VW. This thing is cool.
They did a rear coilover delete. I'd love to bring something like that back to life.
Yeah, that'd be cool, huh? Sell it
There's,
for like-
there's a lot of things that I want to bring back to life. Look how far that's gotten me. Coming to you someday.
Yeah. Sorry, fam. It's not easy.
Everyone is always asking for it, and I'm just like.
But we did make progress. We're having someone come help us with some problems.
The last like 10% of a build takes 90% of the time. That's the truest thing I've ever heard, and it's experiencing it in real life it's 100% accurate.
Louie, any last words before we take off?
I just feel happy about I got to win and get to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see whoever's gonna win the next 3 cars.
Yeah, we appreciate you. Thanks so much for supporting Carmaspeed. Thanks for supporting the team. You know, you said it was like, hey, you gave me a car, but it was really a culmination of everyone working together to make the giveaway happen. So if you're watching and you're part of the Carmaspeed community, thanks for making something like this happen. Louie, we appreciate you. We're happy for you. I'm gonna give you a hug. Have fun with the car. Call us if you have any questions or anything else like that. We'll hit the road.
It's nice meeting you, Louie. Congratulations again.
Yes, sir.
Maybe we'll see you out in AZ.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Later.
Barely breathing, but we made it back.
See you later, Justin.
Later.
Baton, thanks for coming.
Thank you. Love it.
Woo! Long day. Shout out to Louie. That was an awesome day. I'm excited for him in that car. He'll become a better driver because of it. He'll have a new level of appreciation for turbocharged vehicles, Subarus, rear-wheel drive, E85, a bunch of stuff. Awesome day bonding with Randog always. Homie drove 10 hours, so we're calling him Road Dog. Natan had a blast. Natan's got the best attitude ever. Love hanging out with him. Good old Justin. Justin's been with me the longest, working alongside me, helping edit. And more important than that, Justin just wants to figure out how to get the YouTube videos to do better and really grinds with me on titles and thumbnails and trying to figure it out. And we're not having a lot of good luck lately, and we kind of have a new plan, and he pushes alongside me and with me and pushes me in areas. So awesome getting to bond with Justin because I don't get to see him every day, so that was fun. On to the next, we get to see where is the Miata going, and Devin, where do you get to drive the car to potentially, or are you gonna ship it? We'll see. Carmaspeed.com, we'll see you over there. Support the boys, go get entered to win one of the 3 cars. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out a video right here of Devin teaching his sister how to drive manual, it's a good video right here. We'll see you over there.